Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to integrate Shopify with GoHighLevel revenue growth. This integration connects your e-commerce data directly to your CRM, allowing you to track customer purchases, automate follow-ups, and manage your sales funnel in one place. To start, go to GoHighLevel.com and log in to the correct GoHighLevel account where you want to connect Shopify. From the left menu, select your agency account or the appropriate sub-account, since this determines where the data will be stored. Next, click Settings, then scroll down to Integrations. Find Shopify in the list and click Connect. A pop-up will ask for your Shopify store domain and admin API access token. You can generate the token in your Shopify dashboard under Settings is greater than apps and Sales channels is greater than develop apps. After entering the details, choose what you want to sync products, orders, or customer data. Then click Sync Settings to complete the setup. That's it! Your Shopify store is now integrated with GoHighLevel, enabling better automation, tracking, and sales management. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.